If you are planning to build websites with WordPress in 2026, there are two builders you're going to hear about constantly: Elementor Pro and Bricks Builder. Some people swear by Elementor because it's beginner friendly and easy to learn. Others are moving to Bricks because it's faster, cleaner, and more developer focused. So which one is actually better? In this video, we are going to compare them side by side: design experience, speed, pricing, templates, performance, ecosystem, all of it. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow best. Let's get started. At their core, both Elementor and Bricks are visual website builders for WordPress. Instead of editing pages with code, you build everything visually using drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, forms, sections, and layouts. Especially think of them like website design apps running directly inside WordPress. Elementor has been dominating the WordPress space for years. It's extremely popular, beginner friendly, and supported by a massive community. Bricks Builder is newer, but it has exploded in popularity recently, especially among freelancers, developers, and people who care about website performance. Both can build amazing websites, but the experience of using them is very different. When you launch Elementor, everything feels very visual and approachable. You have your widgets on the left, your website preview on the right, and all your controls are easy to find. Drag something in, click it, edit it, done. This is why so many beginners start with Elementor. You don't really need to understand how websites are structured to start designing. Even if you've never built a site before, you can create something decent pretty quickly. Bricks Builder. Elementor gives you access to a huge collection of templates: landing pages, home pages, about pages, sections, blocks, pop-ups, basically everything. You can import a design in one click and customize it instead of building from scratch. For beginners, templates are a huge advantage because they help you build professional looking websites much faster. Bricks also includes templates, but its ecosystem works a little differently. A lot of the best Bricks resources come from third-party communities and tools like Frames, BricksForge, and Bricks Extras. The Bricks ecosystem feels more modern and developer focused, while Elementor focuses more on accessibility and volume. Elementor definitely wins in terms of built-in quantity, but Bricks templates often feel cleaner and more performance oriented. Better for fast start: Elementor Pro. This is the category where Bricks really stands out. Elementor websites can become heavy if you install too many widgets, animations, or add-ons. It works fine, but you usually need optimization plugins, caching, image compression, and some cleanup work to get excellent speed scores. Elementor isn't bad for performance, it just needs more optimization effort. Bricks, on the other hand, is built with performance in mind from the start. It generates cleaner code, loads fewer assets, and generally produces faster websites without much tweaking. If website speed and core web vitals matter to you, Bricks has a noticeable advantage. Winner for performance: Bricks Builder. Elementor Pro uses a yearly subscription model. You pay annually depending on how many websites you want to use it on. The free version exists, but most serious features are locked behind Pro. Bricks Builder takes a different approach. You can buy it yearly or get the lifetime plan and use it forever on unlimited websites. That lifetime deal is one of the biggest reasons freelancers are switching to Bricks. If you are building websites for clients regularly, paying once instead of renewing every year can save a lot long term. And if you are trying to reduce costs, services like KeyActivated offer original license activations for both Elementor Pro and Bricks Builder at lower pricing. Better long-term value: Bricks Builder. Elementor has one massive advantage: its ecosystem. There are thousands of tutorials online, countless Facebook groups, huge Reddit communities, and hundreds of add-ons made specifically for Elementor. If you run into a problem with Elementor, chances are somebody has already made a tutorial about it. That makes learning much easier for beginners. Bricks still has a smaller community, but is growing incredibly fast. The documentation is solid, the Facebook groups are active, and the overall community feels very passionate. Bricks has momentum right now, but Elementor still dominates when it comes to educational content and beginner resources. Best learning ecosystem, Elementor Pro. So here's the simplest way to think about it. Choose Elementor Pro if you want the easiest learning experience, you prefer drag and drop simplicity, you rely heavily on templates and tutorials, you're completely new to WordPress. Choose Bricks Builder if you care about performance, you build multiple websites, you want cleaner structure, you prefer long-term value with lifetime pricing. Neither builder is objectively perfect. They just solve different problems for different types of users. Auto and CTA 5:36 o'clock. So at the end of the day, both Elementor and Bricks are excellent tools. Elementor is easier to learn and has the biggest ecosystem in WordPress. Bricks is faster, cleaner, and feels more future-focused for advanced users and freelancers. It really depends on what matters more to you. If you want to check out either builder at a lower cost, I'll leave the KeyActivated link in the description below. And if this comparison helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I've got more WordPress comparisons, tutorials, and web design content coming soon. Also, let me know in the comments which one are you using right now, Elementor or Bricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.